Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can apply for the TikTok Creative Program. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. TikTok Creativity Program is a new monetization method that is designed to reward creators for high quality and original content. And the main reason that everyone is talking about the Creativity Program is because of the RPM, meaning how much you make with 1,000 qualified views. The hard part is getting started and getting that momentum. After that, 1 million views per month should be easy. First of all, who is eligible? You need to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and have a minimum of 100,000 views in the last 30 days. It should also be a personal account, as business accounts are not accepted. Number 5, abide by TikTok's community guidelines. And number 6, according to TikTok, you should be located in one of the regions that it is available in, but that doesn't apply to us. We can bypass that, and I'll tell you how. So now that you're eligible to join, there are 2 ways to join. 1, if you're already in the Creator Fund, and 2, if you're not. So if you are in the Creator Fund, you should go to the TikTok app and tap Profile. Go to the menu and then Settings tab, Creator Tools, and then Creator Fund. And there will be an option to switch at the bottom of the page. And now you're in the Creativity Program. But if you're not in the Creator Fund, you basically do the same thing. But instead of tapping at the Creator Fund, you tap at the Creativity Program and you will be notified if your application is accepted within 3 days. But remember, if you join the Creativity Program, you cannot switch back to the Creator Fund. Okay, so how to join it if you are not in the region? Well, I have a method. First of all, you set your phone to English and you change the location of the phone. If that's available to the United States or the country you want to appear in, and keep in mind that you will also target that country. Then I want you to remove your SIM card and you can buy a physical SIM card from eBay from the country you want to appear in, and I would suggest restarting your phone. After that, download a VPN. After that, you turn on the VPN, then go to TikTok and start scrolling on the For You page. So you should be making sure that there are no videos from your country. And when you go to the comment section of the videos in the For You page, you make sure that the top comments are not in your language. But if you get videos from your country and comments in your language, make sure that the preferred language is only English on TikTok, and just keep scrolling and wait a few minutes or just a few days. It usually takes a few minutes, but it depends on the circumstances. You can also restart the app a few times, and now you've made it to the country you want to appear in, where the TikTok Creativity Program is available. So that's basically how you can apply for the TikTok Creative Program. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.